Hey there YouTubes, Marvin here again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to look at a 22-piece flex head and ratcheting set from WorkPro. By the way, before I proceed, I want to say thanks to Stella for sending me this set in exchange of an honest review. Actually, she didn't send me just this one. She also sent me a magnetic nut driver and drill bit set. Let's open this quick. Okay, right there. And lastly, she also sent me a 3.6 cordless electric stapler. But I don't want to make this video today too long, so I'm going to talk about this electric stapler in a separate video. So that said, let's go ahead and start with the ratcheting set. So inside the box, we get the thank you card. It says thanks for your support, which is really nice. And also we got some brochure here, that shows like different products that they sell. I'm actually surprised like how much product they sell. They have the camping stuff, hunting knife and the tools, and look at different products that they have. And on the other side they have like electric drill, gardening tools, and like just tons of product. If you want to check that out, go and visit their website, workprotools.com. The electric drills actually really get me interested because I wanted to upgrade my electric drills. As you guys can see there, I have the Rigid brand, but I just want to try something different. So this is, again, this is really interesting. So let's go ahead and open the set. To open it, you're gonna have to cut this small zip tie from here. This is just to secure that the case won't open when they ship it. And it has a lock on the top. It's very easy to open. There's none on the side. And voila, here are the beautiful set. Again, this is 22 pieces, SAE and metric. Let's turn it around just to see the number right there. And here you can see that the top is the metric sizes and the bottom is the SAE. Let's take a look at here. The smallest size is 6 mm. Unlike the set that I have, the smallest size is only 8 mm. So we get a 6 mm, 8, 9, and 10. And then it jumps to 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and the biggest is 18 millimeter. And the SAE, the smallest is 1/4, then followed by 932, and then 516, 1132, 716, which is 3/8, and then 1/2, and 916, 5/8, 1116, and 3/4. So the biggest one is 3/4. It's right there. You can see it's a WorkPro. It's a beautiful chrome finish, and there's engraving on the other side as well. So this set has 12-point tooth, I believe, all of them. Let's grab the small one and check. You guys can see that it's just very hard to focus right there. So they are all 12 tooths. In my opinion, the 12 points is way better than the 6 points because it's very easy to set the wrench, especially in the tight spaces. You just have to turn it a little bit and then you can set the wrench. And swivel 180 degrees, again, that's very convenient. I wish I have this set when I replace the EGR valve of my Mazda 6. The bolt at the back is very hard to access, and using a socket wrench is also very difficult because there is no room. And the only tools that I have at the time is this fuller, which is not a flex head, so I didn't use it, but I managed to take it out anyway. But again, if I have this set, that would be a really big help. Again, if you have a proper tools, whatever DIY project you do, it's gonna make your life easier and you're gonna finish the project a lot faster. Right, so I just want to compare it to the puller that I have. This is the 15 millimeter, that's also 15 millimeter. They are about the same length. It feels the same weight as well. But let's compare the sound. This is the puller. And this is the WorkPro. That's totally different sound. Alright, so let's do that again. Right, so the WorkPro is a lot quieter and definitely you can hear that the fuller is louder. So I don't know if that's gonna make a difference. I know when it comes to the cassette of the bike, they always said that the louder is better, but actually that's not always true, because the instant engage cassette of the bicycle, you don't even hear the click. It will just engage right away, which is way better than the noisy one. So I don't know, like, let me know in the comment if this is better than this. Don't get me wrong, this fuller served me for years without any issue for the type of DIY I do. I have no problem with it. The only thing is the set is only 6 pieces, and I always wanted to upgrade to the swivel type like this WorkPro, but I didn't get a chance. And you know that the swivel one is more expensive than the fixed like this one. I'm glad that the WorkPro sent this to me. The summer is just around the corner, and I have a lot of things to do with my car. The Mazda 6, I haven't fixed it yet. There's still problems. So I'm going to use this a lot, and let's see how it's gonna hold up in my future DIY. And if you're following my channel, you know that I do fix my car, I do maintain my car, I do brake replacement and oil change and stuff. And that said, that this set is gonna be very useful to me. And the other thing that I like with this set, as you can see, all the wrenches are properly placed and secured to the case. And even if I go upside down, it doesn't fall. Unlike the other set that is not secure like that, once you close it like that, some of them is gonna fall and scramble inside. So I love this, that they are properly secured, right? So just to show you here the convenience of the flex head, which I wish I have this set already when I assemble my home gym. As you can see here, if I'm using the fixed one, if I go that, I'm going to hit my hand to the post, but because this is swivel, I can go all the way without hitting my hand, and that is a lot faster. And again, the ratcheting tools is really convenient. Right, so I don't know if you guys can see me because it's too bright outside. This is the Mazda 6 that I've been working for like few years now, but I didn't get a chance to work on it in the past couple years. So the problem is, like, I have the rough idle on this Mazda. I already cleaned the throttle as the Mazda TSB said. It didn't fix the issue. Also, I did replace the GR valve based on other YouTubers that it says that's the problem. Again, it didn't fix the issue, but the process of removal and installation of the new GR valve, I uploaded on my channel. It helps a lot of people, so that's great. It doesn't matter if it fixes my own problem or not, as long as it helps others. So here, if I want to remove the ignition coil with this type of bolt and nut, and if I just have, like, this is the smallest I have with the fuller, which is number 8, that's supposed to fit in there, but it doesn't go in at all, because again, that's a lot thicker here and this one is thinner. So let's put this in. That's number 8, and just it fits perfectly. Wow. Ah, that surprised me actually. If you only have the socket and you don't have the long one, this thing is not gonna work as well. You guys can see it doesn't reach there. So that said, you're lucky if you have the long and the right size, and then that is going to work, right there. But again, this is more convenient because it's one piece instead of like 2 piece, and it fits there perfectly well. So I just want to mention this again because this really surprised me, that the fuller is a lot thicker than the WorkPro. So there, as you can see, that the WorkPro is a lot better than the one that I have right now. Right there, it doesn't fit. Yeah, so I guess I'm loving these tools, right? So now it's time to check the next set of tools, which is the 16 pieces magnetic driver and bead set. And that said, let's go ahead and open the box. So as usual, you get the thank you card and the brochure for different kind of tools that the WorkPro has. And let's go ahead and open this right away. And as you can see, it also comes with a foam, the same as the ratcheting set. And this thing, you can use it like that when you store it. right? So, and that's the WorkPro. And the same thing, as you can see, that they are properly in place and secure, so it's not gonna fall like that when you put it upside down, right? So that's good, even though like you close it, probably like you close it like really quick, they're still all in place, as you can see right there. So again, when you do that, use the foam. There you go. So same as the ratcheting set, it comes with the metric, which is at the bottom, and SAE on the top. So you guys can see right there, it has a 1/4, 3/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2, 9/16, and also comes with 2 Philip bead set. You guys can see right there. Right, so at the bottom we have like 7 and the 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 millimeters. So there you go, you can see how beautiful is the set. It's also color coded. The SAE is red and then the metric is blue. So because this is a magnetic driver set, I think the main thing that we need to test here is if how strong is the magnet. Right, so I got some bolts here. Let's see, this one can drop. Well, that is strong. So this is the right size for it, and that is really strong magnet. So let's try with a big bolt if it's gonna hold it. It's holding it. Again, this is too heavy for it, so but it's still holding it. Let's test the very big one. As you can see, the bolt is still too big for this driver, but there you go. It's a lot stronger. Let's try to put it in my drill. All right, and then let's put the bolt there. It's going to drop. That's good. So the magnet is very useful, especially when you're working on something tight space or like in your car, that you know that when you drop that bolt or screw, there is no chance of getting it back. So like the magnetic tools is very important in that scenario. So it's not just about like it's magnetic. The magnet has to be strong enough to hold that bolt in place so that you won't drop it. You know that some cheap tools, you know, it's magnetic, but the magnet is not strong enough. Like I'm glad this one is very strong, right? So let's try this Phillips screwdriver bit. Let's see if it's gonna hold it. There you go, still hold it. Look at that. Alright, so before I end this video, I think there's one more very important thing that we needed to be mentioned when reviewing any product, especially for the auto mechanic tools like this ratchet set and the magnetic set. So when I received them, the first thing that I did is to go to WorkPro website and check how is the warranty of these tools. As a DIY guy, I started with cheap tools, no brand, or a known brand. When they break, I have no idea where to claim the warranty. Again, I went to their website and checked the warranty specifically for the tools that they sent to me. But you have to consider that WorkPro carry a different kind of product, so they have different warranties. So you really have to check what kind of product you have and what kind of warranty you're gonna get to that product. So for this ratchet set and the magnetic set, I'm really happy to say that it comes with a lifetime warranty. So having a lifetime warranty for the tools that you bought gonna give you a peace of mind. But take note, the lifetime warranty only will work with the established name or brand, just like the WorkPro. So again, based on my experience as a DIY guy, I'm not gonna buy anything from a known brand. So I will rather stick to the established name, just like the WorkPro or other brands. Alright guys, so that's everything I want to say about this set. And if you are interested in getting one, you can either buy it directly from workprotools.com or you can get it from Amazon. I will leave the link in the description below. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.